Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve customer loyalty with Starbucks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Customer loyalty is crucial for any business, and Starbucks has mastered this art. To improve customer loyalty, first, understand your target audience. Conduct market research to gather insights about their preferences and habits. Next, personalize the customer experience. Use customer data to tailor offerings and promotions that resonate with individual preferences. Implement a loyalty program that rewards repeat customers. Starbucks rewards system provides points for every purchase, encouraging customers to return. Create a sense of community around your brand. Host events or coffee tasting sessions to engage customers beyond just transactions. Introduce limited-time offerings to create excitement and urgency. This strategy keeps the menu fresh and encourages customers to try new items. Invest in employee training to enhance service quality. Friendly and knowledgeable staff can elevate the customer experience significantly. Utilize social media to connect with customers on a personal level. Share stories, company values, and customer testimonials to build trust and engagement. Encourage customer feedback and act on it. This shows customers that you value their opinions and are committed to improvement. Finally, ensure consistency in product and service delivery. Stable quality reinforces customer expectations and promotes loyalty. By following these steps, you can build a loyal customer base inspired by Starbucks' successful strategies. Remember, customer loyalty is a journey, not a destination. Invest time and effort into nurturing it, and the rewards will follow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.